Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete a Snapchat account permanently. To start the process, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now go to your profile. Then tap on Settings icon on your top right corner. Scroll down and tap on I need help. Now scroll down and tap on Managing my account. Here tap on Delete or Reactivate my account. Then tap on How do I delete my Snapchat account? Here you need to follow these instructions to delete your account. After that, tap on Account Portal. To delete your account, you need to enter your username and password. After that, tap on Continue. This is how you can delete a Snapchat account permanently. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.